Here are the shocking 5 reasons why our education system is not sufficient for our kids. First, this current education system was introduced by Lord Macaulay in 1830s, and that was the beginning of Industrial Revolution. So his intention was only to produce worker for the factories. So just you can understand that the education system was designed to educate labor so that they can work in the factories. So the total motto was different than in today's world, but the education system we still follow are the same. The second reason is the current education system is one way of communication. So mostly we see that teacher only teach and student only receive. We hardly want to know something from student, that what they are thinking, if they are thinking something beyond what teachers are teaching. So it's only teaching, currently only teaching is one way communication. Third is current education system is competitive, not collaborative. So we always tell our kids to improve their score, to become first, to become second, or whatever is the grade. So we always tell kids to compete with each other. We never teach them to collaborate. So what is collaboration? Collaboration is a group work. And when these kids will join the workforce, most probably you also know that kids cannot do alone all those activities. I mean, no one can do alone all those activities in the workplace. So they have to work in a group, which our current education system doesn't teach anywhere, not in school, not in college, not even in universities. The fourth fact is current education system is providing more and more information. So this education system was introduced when, as I mentioned, that 1830s. So when there was a lot of scarcity of information, there was that was the time when only information was there available in library, and there was not more libraries. So that time the education system they have introduced is providing more and more information, so that people get that information which is not available most of the places. But think about today. Is information rare today? Every minute 2.5 quintillion, that means 2.5 billion gigabyte of data is uploaded in the internet. So you can imagine that the volume of information is available. So there is no information scarcity now, but still in our education system we are providing more and more information. And the last but not the least fact is this information was created to create the employment. But think about today, as these technologies are growing very fast, so more and more AI automations are taking over a lot of routine jobs. As per our World Economic Forum report, 67% of jobs which our kids will be engaged in future are not present today. You can think that we are preparing our kids for something which we don't even know. So this education system should be so flexible that it should adapt all the changes, but it is not.